Hello students. In this video, we will just take a look on all the accounting ratios and their formulas. Liquidity ratio, current assets upon current liabilities, quick ratio, liquid assets upon current liabilities. Now we have solvency ratios, debt equity ratio, debt upon equity, total assets to debt ratio, total assets upon debt, proprietary ratio, equity upon total assets, interest coverage ratio, profit before charging interest and tax upon fixed interest charges, debt to capital employed ratio, debt upon capital employed, activity ratios, inventory turnover ratio, cost of revenue from operations upon average inventory, trade receivable turnover ratio, credit revenue from operations upon average trade receivables, trade payables turnover ratio, net credit purchases upon trade payables, working capital turnover ratio, revenue from operations upon working capital, fixed asset turnover ratio, revenue from operations upon fixed assets, net assets turnover ratio, revenue from operations upon net assets, profitability ratios or income ratios, gross profit ratio, gross profit upon revenue from operations into 100, operating ratio, cost of revenue from operations plus operating expenses minus operating income upon revenue from operations into 100, operating profit ratio, operating profit upon revenue from operations into 100, net profit ratio, net profit after tax upon revenue from operations into 100, return on investment, net profit before interest, tax and dividend upon capital employed into 100.